How do you move an active farm into an agricultural trust? Imagine owning a thriving farm and wanting to protect it for future generations while keeping control today. Moving an active farm into an agricultural trust can do just that. It's a process that involves transferring ownership of land, equipment, livestock, and business operations into a trust. This is often called funding the trust, and it helps with estate planning and smooth succession. First, you need to decide what type of trust fits your goals. A revocable living trust lets you stay in control during your lifetime and change the trust if needed. It helps avoid probate and makes transferring assets easier. An irrevocable trust, on the other hand, transfers ownership permanently and can offer tax benefits but limits your control. There are also special types like the charitable remainder trust, which can provide income now and benefit charities later. Lastly, a testamentary trust is created through your will and only takes effect after you pass away. It does not avoid probate but can specify how assets are divided. Next, you must legally transfer the farm's title into the trust's name. This means updating deeds for land, titles for equipment, and possibly contracts for business operations. This step is essential to make the trust the official owner of the farm assets. It's a straightforward but vital part of funding the trust. Then, you need to draft a trust agreement. This document explains how the farm will be managed, who the trustees are, and how and when beneficiaries will receive benefits. It can include instructions for managing the farm during your lifetime and after, plans for who will run the farm, and provisions for dividing interests among heirs. It also covers conditions for selling or leasing assets and strategies to minimize estate and gift taxes. Choosing a trustee is another key step. You can serve as the initial trustee to keep control, then appoint a successor trustee to take over if you become unable to manage the farm. It's wise to select someone familiar with farming and estate matters to ensure smooth operations. It's also important to coordinate the trust with other estate planning tools. Combining the trust with a will, health care directives, life insurance, and tax strategies creates a comprehensive plan. This helps protect the farm's value, provides liquidity for taxes or debts, and aligns with your long-term goals. Because farmland ownership and farm operations can be complex, working with an estate planning attorney experienced in agricultural law is highly recommended. They can help tailor the trust structure to your specific farm, family, and legal requirements. Funding the trust offers many benefits for active farms. It helps avoid probate delays, allowing the farm to keep running without interruption. It provides clear authority for management decisions, keeps farmland in the family or designated hands, and offers flexibility to divide interests among heirs, whether they farm or not. It can also include provisions to protect eligibility for government programs or Medicaid. Finally, after funding the trust, it's important to review and update the documents regularly. Changes in family circumstances, farm operations, or laws may requiring adjustments to keep your estate plan on track. In essence, moving an active farm into an agricultural trust is a structured process that involves legal transfers, detailed planning, and ongoing management. It's about creating a plan that keeps your farm operational and protected for generations to come, with clear rules and strategies that match your goals.